If you're an Airbnb host or you're aspiring to be one, then this channel is for you. I'm gonna teach you how to make more money on Airbnb. My name is Jasper Rivers and I've been hosting on Airbnb since 2012. And soon enough, I was making $50,000 just renting out a single listing. I'm also the author of Get Paid for Your Pet, which is the best-selling book on Airbnb hosting. Every Friday, I put up a video with tips and tricks on how to make more money on Airbnb. And every Monday, you can watch me live, where I answer any questions. And you can also listen to over 200 podcast episodes in which I interview Airbnb hosts from all around the world. So if you want to get more reviews and you want to make more money, then hit that subscribe button now, and I will make sure I don't disappoint you.
Get paid for your pet. Get paid for your pet. Get paid for your pet.